my channel. My name is Zinma, and I hope you guys are well. I hope you guys are doing great. So basically, I have been seeking a very good bob wig for a very long time, and I couldn't really find the one for me. So I was really happy to stumble upon MYFIRSTWIG.com. Basically from someone's advert on Instagram. I found them and I was like, okay, you know what, I'm going to check them out. I'm really going to check them out because I really liked the vibe of their brand and you know the kind of wigs that they had. And MYFIRSTWIG.com is really cool because it's like a beginner friendly introduction into wig wearing, where they give you the wig kits and the wig so that you can just just style your hair like on the go, on the spot, without worrying about glue and all of that, and how to glue your lace front and stuff like that. It's really brilliant. The idea is brilliant and I really liked it. So you know what, I checked them out. I went on their website, I found the bob wig that was perfect for me, and this one I'm wearing is the LFW007 wig. So I was like, you know what, instead of buying from AliExpress and not trusting the product if it to be exactly what I want, I might as well buy from these people. So I went there, I selected this wig, and it came to me in this box, and I'll show you guys all the contents of the box so that you guys could know what I got. So within 4 to 7 days it arrived at my house, and I thought that was really brilliant. I also got a wig stand. So this one is the wig stand, for placing my wig on top when I'm not wearing it, and it's just brilliant. It's really brilliant. So I wear wigs because number one, it's convenient, number two, it helps me change my look, and number three, it's a protective style. And with afro hair is a kind of hair that you have to be gentle with it. You can't apply so much heat on natural hair, especially natural afro hair. You can't always like style your hair with heat all the time. But with wigs, you could have like a straight wig, a curly wig, different kinds of wigs really, and you could change your look. You could do all the heat damage to your wig without affecting your natural hair. So to me, that's just brilliant. That's perfect. That's the reason why I wear wigs, and it's part of the black culture really. It's really part of the culture and it's brilliant. We love it. And anyway, without rambling too much, if this is your first time of joining us, welcome. I'm a mom of 2 and I share videos centered on motherhood, lifestyle, beauty, fashion, and everything in between. And if you love this kind of videos, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell so that you can get notifications each time I release a new video. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you click the like button and comment. I really can't wait to chat with you in the comment section, so stay tuned. So the wig came in that box. It says my first wig, only 4th anniversary you, only you. I think 4th anniversary only you, that's what it means on there. And then it also came with the wig stand, came with this wig kit. This is the clip, the hair clip, that's the rat tail comb. This one is the instruction manual, and that's some bobby pins right there. It also came with this one and other information. This one is the wig itself in the wig bag. This is like an invitation card for you to buy, for your next purchase, really, like a discount code for you to buy another hair. Use the code only for you and you could get $12 off your next purchase. And thanks to me, of course, that's meant to be my code, but don't worry, I could share it with you guys. And then 2 pieces of a wig cap. So basically that's all that I have. Yeah, so that's everything I have. So what I'm going to do now is to apply the Heat Protect spray from VO5 on the hair, and I'll also use the rat tail comb from MYFIRSTWIG.com. So I'll just apply the spray all around the hair. give my Babyliss hair straightener for this class. So this is the color of the wig cap, and this is in the dark brown. I know some people normally wear wig caps with their wigs, but I don't. I feel more comfortable wearing my wig without the wig cap. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to try it out. I'm going to try wearing the wig with the wig cap, and then I'll see if I like it. If not, I'll just take out the wig cap and wear it the way I normally wear my wigs. So let me pop it on my head and see. So this is the look with the wig cap. So my thoughts are that the wig cap is a bit too brown. Doesn't go with my face color. I don't think so. So I'm going to remove the wig cap because I prefer wearing my wigs. I prefer wearing my wigs without the wig cap. So I'm going to take that out and pop the wig back on. I just prefer the dark part of my hair to show. Yeah, it looks much better now. I really like it. So this is how it looks. A bit of my hair is coming out. I think this is where I need my styling gel. I think I might need to pop my styling gel again on my hair so that my hair can lie flat down. But anyway, I'll do that later. But I just want to show you guys how this wig looks, and I really like it. I really do like it. So I'm going to comb it down. Ooh, something just entered my eyes. So right now I haven't popped any of the clips inside on my head. I'm not sure if I want to pop any clips because normally it gives me a headache. It gives me a headache anytime I pop clips on my head. So I'm just going to try it now and just see. I put these two, but I didn't put the one at the back, you know, just, you know, so that I don't start having a banging migraine at the moment. I don't have a mirror. This is my mirror, so bear with me, guys. Bear with me. Yeah, so this is the look. I really like the look of the wig. The wig fits my face perfectly, and it also fits my head. Like the circumference, you know, around the wig is perfect for my hair. I forgot to show you guys, yeah? So I cut the perimeter around the lace at the front, just so that it has this natural look that it does right now. And I really like it. I really like it. I'm really proud of this hair. So this is the back. So my thoughts about the hair is, it was easy to purchase. It was easy for me to select what I wanted. I'll just read through what I selected. So I took the LFW007 wig, and the texture is the Yaki texture. The length is 12 inches. The hair color is natural hair color. The cap size is 22.5 inches to 23 inches. The cap construction is the 6-inch deep partline, so my partline can go deeper down. So this is the front wig, and the lace color is the medium brown. So this is the medium brown lace color, and I think it's it suits me without the wig cap. I felt the wig cap wasn't quite my skin color, so I didn't really like the wig cap. But this is normally the way I wear my wigs. I wear my wigs on top of my hair, and it does not affect my hair in any way. My hair is fine. And also I just like the fact that the lace here has been pre-plucked, so I really don't have to pre-pluck it any further. And it comes with headband, so I could adjust the lace to suit my head, you know. And also they cut the bob perfectly, so I really don't need to cut the bob any further. So it's just a beginner friendly, you know, wig, and I think any first timer would absolutely love, you know, getting their first wig from MYFIRSTWIG.com. So overall I'll give them a 4 out of 5 stars, because they ticked quite a few of my boxes, and the only thing that I really did not like is the wig cap. The wig cap keeps shifting to the back, you know, of my hair, and then the lace of the hair doesn't match the color of the wig cap, and the wig cap, the color of the wig cap doesn't match my face color. So I would say no to the wig cap. So that's why I'm giving the wig 4 out of 5. But other than that, I really like it. It suits me perfectly. I think it suits me perfectly, and I just love how it straightens without any heat damage, because heat damage is like the break or make of every natural wig. So, or should I say every virgin wig. So this hair is the Malaysian virgin hair according to them. So I really like it. I would love to hear what you guys think about this wig in the comments below. Please let me know what you guys think, and make sure you like this video. I appreciate every single like and every single comment that I get, and most especially I appreciate all my subscribers. So please kindly subscribe to my channel. It's free. You don't have to pay for subscription. You're just gonna make me happy if you subscribe to my channel, because I try to post videos weekly. And thank you so much guys for watching. I hope I'll see you in my next video. Bye.